Hey, this is Marco, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do aggressive shakes on CapCut. So what you want to do is create your new project. Once you have the project, first you want to go to this part. Before, we need to add some flickers and some keyframes. So to add the flickers, we need to go to Effects, Video Effects. Then we go to the nightclub. And then we want to find black flash number 2, this one. Then adjust it, speed about 20, intensity 19, for example. So you want to add this so that it goes over the 2. So if you take a look at the video, it has this nice flicker effect. Then, so for example, I want to select this clip, add the keyframe that's on the left side of the undo button. As you can see, here is the keyframe. Then let's just zoom in. So as you can see, you have like 2 keyframes, and on the second one, you'd, for some example, it doesn't let me choose, but you want to choose the ease out tool. Then you want to go back, click on effects. Then what you want to do is click on the image, click animations. Then you want to find swing top left or swing bottom. Let's do swing bottom, put it on 0.3. Then go back to animations, click on out. Then we want to do fade out 0.3. So as you can see, this is how it looks like at the moment. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, this is the video. Now it has the flickering and the shake, and that's it. That's how you add the shake. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in Shopify, I have a link for you down in the description where you can get it for $1, 1 month for free.